natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. A few months ago when I posted my eyebrow tutorial, I think it was months ago or weeks ago, don't remember, I was requested to do a turban tutorial, right? So I'll leave the link for it on my eyebrow tutorial. If you have not seen my eyebrow tutorial yet, of course I will link it right here for you guys, how to get perfect eyebrows. But yeah, I was requested to do a turban tutorial on how I tie my turban. And if you realize, this is two different patterns on the turban, so that means it's two different materials, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys how to tie a turban with two of your favorite materials or two of your favorite prints. I will show you guys how to do that. So if you want to see how I get that done, keep on watching. And of course, if you guys have any requests, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check the description bar for all the other links to my videos, to my Facebook page. If you aren't already subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you do subscribe. So yeah, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, stick around for the turban tutorial. Bye guys. Mwah.